Hey, welcome folks. I just finished going slug fishing. You see, the other day, I woke up to find just this little nub. Hey, where are all the leaves? It should look more like this. This whole slug catching trick I learned at Rizzo's Authentic White Tiger Kung Fu. Whoa, easy girls. Get it? Now, in the past, I would have been very upset waking up and finding all my little seedlings mowed down. You know, but then I got reminded by my instructor, Kung Fu, saying, you know what, Noris, the only thing that you could really control is your attitude. So I thought to myself, all right, well, I don't know what's mowing down my stuff, but let's put out a trap. So I'm going to show you what I did. First thing you need is a little cup. Saucer works fine too, but I find a cup gives you nice depth, along with a much smaller area to have to fill up versus like a large saucer. Then you just take whatever beer you have on hand and fill up that cup. I will fill it a little just to give them something to smell. Oh, because they will find that smell. Now, what to do with the seedlings that they haven't eaten? Now, luckily I had some backup, so I planted some new. And then I took my salt shaker and I just sprinkled some all around the perimeter there. Now, I use Himalayan sea salt, so at least it'll remineralize the soil. But you can use Epsom salt, or I guess any sort of table salt. Just, you know, be moderate. You don't want to kill your plant. Just enough to deter if they're coming out, like let's say back here and they're coming over and munch on your plant on the way over to the trap. That wouldn't be cool. And if you're looking to make some positive changes in your life, because you don't want to end up like a dead slug bound to be chicken food, check out Rizzo's Authentic White Tiger Kung Fu. You might find what you're looking for. This has been Noris the Kung Fu Baker, wishing you happy homesteading.